Oh, I'm sorry. After putting in all of our percentages of students that were at or exceeding, I guess, proficiency in this case, we had 72% of all of our students
Wow,
And that's
good
great.
job.
are meeting
That's
or
solid.
above.
That's good.
Really
And I do
good.
think that we identified some.
But that's not counting Zufins, so we'll have to get
That's true.
hers. So it's just out of our
Hers,
4 groups, 72% are
That's
at or
good.
above.
And I think that we really did identify some key things that are throwing our kids off. So we can definitely tackle that in flex and small group.
Did you have any of your kids on the formative itself draw place value blocks, or were they just stacking
They
and
were.
subtracting?
They don't like using them. I think it's an extra step for a lot of mine.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I had one person that did that, and the
I had
rest of
2.
mine did. And when we were doing that in class, they were just like frustrated and just wanted to go back to what they were comfortable with, which was just
Right.
stacking. But I
Second
think
grade
it's
was right
good. I liked showing them the blocks, and I
Mhm.
like I
Oh, yeah.
made them draw it with me and let's do it because
Mhm.
it shows them what's actually going on.
Right.
Because you're not, they'll tell me when they, and I said, how did you solve that? Tell me. They'll say, I crossed out this number and changed it to this number, but they're not explaining to me what they're actually doing. So,
Right. Yeah, I do think that is crucial. It's necessary to show them the place value block so they really have the understanding of I'm not just swapping numbers. So that's good.
Alright, so for those that did not master the skill, what strategies will we use?
Okay. So we know that a lot of them are forgetting to actually just go back and regroup, like take from the next place over, and then before you transform to the next thing. I think that I'm gonna pull a small group tomorrow during centers, and I'm actually gonna have them just do with the place value blocks. Like take this 10, and we're gonna take this away, and then show it to me in ones, and then add it to your ones place. Because
Yeah.
another thing is sometimes they just want to take 1 from the next place over and add just 10, and they forget about how many ones they already have there. So it's like, no, that's 10 ones and 3 that you already have.
yeah,
So I'm gonna pull a small group and have them manipulate the
group.
blocks.
with manipulatives.
My computer just froze.
So what I'm gonna stress is trying to show them the importance of doing it step by step. If you miss one of these steps, it will throw you off.
Yeah.
So, I mean, work the process that
I-
we've talked about. And, yeah, a lot of us super, high achieving ones did poorly because they think they can skip these steps because they know how to do it. Okay,
And I saw a lot of that with the double regrouping as well. It's like if they know that they're gonna have to regroup over here, they
Yep.
try to jump ahead and regroup this side before they subtract from their ones. They're trying to already regroup their hundreds. So I also want to emphasize, like, no, do it step by step. Once you have enough to subtract, go through and do it.
which is gonna kill them when we have to do
Hundreds.
over 100.
Crossover,
Yeah,
Zeros.
yeah,
Oh,
regrouping zeros.
It'll be fun, but we got 2 days on it.
True.
We have 2 days on it.
we want to flex.
Yeah, I think we should. We'll talk about that this afternoon. Flex tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Great. And that's a good thing that we can really hit on some of those kids too.
And we're gonna review the formative. Have y'all been going over the formatives in your flex time too? Or
I
just-
did not. Did you do that in your flex?
I didn't, it just like the thought hit me, like, I didn't actually go over the problems.
No. Well, you
In
guys,
flex.
we split our high achieving students for our last flex one.
So I wouldn't
Yeah.
have really gone.
wouldn't have
over
I
needed
it.
to.
took
Yeah. The high group.
some of the
Oh, yeah, you
problems
took.
though. I didn't review
Okay.
the actual formative itself. I took some of the problems and I did similar issues. Is what I
Okay.
did with the
Okay.
lower groups.
Okay.
So yeah.
I don't think it would hurt though to actually.
No, that's
take
what
out
I was
the
thinking,
outright
I
go
maybe
over
that
the
if
formative.
we
That'd be good.
keep like, we had so many that exceeded, so like, we took the 2 exceeding groups and she
Mhm.
took the lower group. and
Yeah.
so- But I still may go over this.
Yeah.
in my flex group.
That'd be good. All right, so we're still due to test on Monday if things are still going solid because I think we're at a high rate right now.
What about those kiddos that are already exceeding? So what are y'all doing with them, like in that place?
Enrichment.
That's
Like
what.
I had that group last go around. I had the enrichment group. So I added an extra place. Instead of just doing 3 digits, we went up to 4 and 5 digits for adding.
More like word problems.
I was throwing in word problems and just kind of pushing them, see what they could do and how they can kind of work things out and not just lay it out for them, make them, push them a little bit.
Instead of regrouping just one, they might have had to have regrouped 20 something or 30 something. Yeah.
Do that as well. That's good.
Cause yeah, I had a whole group